Oh, Shegwe. Finally. My people, una good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Now, welcome to our Bonga program, Easyga, when we say na crime and security. Now they talk about for this particular program. As I always they talk, my mind is sweet me well. When sake of say I know so na kanda gidigba. On a various places now watch the Bonga to read or carry congregation for this episode. And I know the reason why we the greetings. Now, sake of say no time where crime no they happen. It they happen in the morning, it they happen in the afternoon, it they happen in the evening. So that is why at any particular time when this crime shell, we will reach here, we will find out what to make this matter shell like this and how we fit prevent this thing so that the society will good for me and you. Well, my name now Wellington Ako Deja.
My people, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. And don't tell you now this one be the special greeting. When they greet for this our Bonge program is again. Any time not today because we get plenty lineup for una go watch today. First and foremost, this number so you just see so we'll take them after the one after the other. Police so NDLE fire service so then the civil defense corps. Then this other last one now the one we consign this NCDC in case the sickness where they say the rain will be say never get cure coronavirus, so they call it COVID-19. If you be say when I see any patients or when I want call anybody when you be say the thing when I want emergency response and I will call all this number with this console.
Well, my people, it already given us the security numbers there. If you see check there, you see our numbers. Our numbers equally did there. In the case you want to contribute, you send a message via WhatsApp and all that. Your contributions will like and well. We could go for a small break. Once we come, we're now going to the top Ogbonge Tori for Easyga for this week. Yes, so my people, this particular one, na Tifi Jankuriko, where they call one chance. This one call happen where we say one woman will carry money when we say if they go market when we say her name now this is Mary Anfua. I think call they go now he sit taxi now he come enter. Unknown to them say the people in this side there, all of them are gang member. Now they call the use style they do before you know they collect her bag. As they collect her bag, she called it try drag with them 9 days. They won't push her away, but luck call however run against this Tifi Jankuriko. Make we play the report for una, make una see what really happened. Make the woman narrate how the matter take come about.
Where the money? Where you come all those ones. They don't do that. We should understand the story. They don't understand. Are you all right? Are you all right? Where the money? I buy 5 years back. I don't size the bucket. This one I Igbo. Okay. Madam. Don't put
Make I want the window, make I want the glass. That's the one need the wine. That's say not the wine, no. That will carry my bag. That's say I give me my bag. He said my bag there. Make I want the thing. That's say let me not this one now. Let the wine. He say they have the dog. He said make me come down. That was the jerrycan when I carry, so he got the disturb. I'm not gonna say where my bag now. My bag when I carry, I don't give me my bag because they make I check my bag. They zip though. Now I say where my money. Now I say now I don't carry my money. Oh, make una come. Oh, that's how they beat me. See my money. Why say moto? Why they beat me? They bite me.
Madam, how much they collect from you?
30,000. I don't carry 30,000.
You are the for the floor.
I'm bringing my bag, yo.
You are the for the madam.
My bag,
You are the for carrying you.
Here for Aurora.
Madam, wait. I beg, Mona, wait. I beg.
Calm down.
Madam, take her easy. Wait. We are the for carrying you.
Okay, that's
Event center. Where you tell them say you dey go?
You believe now?
Why they come there for this lane?
They can't carry me because I shout. Then they push me and they shout. Then they push me, they come down, go hold the thing. I motor when they come and they shout, Tifo. They don't carry my money, motor because they block them. As motor they block them, then they beat me, they push me. Make I cut them, my leg cut them, grass in my leg. Now you can't take the drop for ground, my leg cut the drop for ground. Now they come to find them, when motor cut the block them, now they come come for there.
How many of you enter the motor?
I mix for inside.
Four of them.
Yes.
How many men?
2 men for back, 1 woman for back. Me come to 1 woman for front.
All of them come before. All of them come
3
before.
for back.
Okay.
Me and 1 woman for front. That woman come they join them, they beat me, they bite me.
That man will fight you.
All of them.
That man will fight you. Because I need the statement. Okay, I hear you. Hold on. All right. Hey.
Everyone here.
Stand down now.
So my brother, the one we know this the matter. That woman when we come in a commercial driver, as I hear the woman they shout, men are they don't tip you, they don't tip you. They don't fight away the grass so when naked. That one call the try make because they hit blow, take they hit the woman. They hit her. The one where the woman sit down with from front because they make it push the woman fall. I try to take my motor to block them. As I block them, now the driver reverse. He hit my motor from back. So after I set up done, the next thing, now the driver first and do one. When he reach one, now he turn. As he turn, I turn follow with the passengers. So even passenger when I carry, they come they beg me say driver, I beg. This my fault for motor do I go down, make a help. So that's why I tell turn and pursue the motor. When I reach this event center, as I come by overtake the driver for left, he will go keep people away break down. So now I leave one. As he fire, maybe now we a motor power. The next thing, now I follow grass. I go now give my body the payment. Go eat that payment, that slap. As he hit and go, now me go front. As he dey come back, that's why I tell this got away. So now me even carry the driver because they do not know what dey happen. So as the driver call them, one run now hold her for back. Now come call people say, "Abeg, man, I come oh, I'm robber." Now people say, "Come." When they reach there, the other one will escape because they fall. The other one will escape and that one carry the money wrong. Because I see that far to that one run down this complex. You know no road. That one is short way to sit down with the woman from front. That one don't follow straight. Because that one hold the bag where they collect for this woman hand. And I don't, that's why I know this.
My brother, what be your name?
Okay, my name is also Sazuwa, but now Coco, now people know me for popular.
All right, thank you very much.
I mean, no man let them do their work. Guy, calm down.
Yes, so my people now see what happened there. Even the driver when be say call assist this particular woman, so he said cause he narrate talk what really happened there, but this bit when they give these people so it's too much.
Akodeja, we don't need to talk this matter. We dey tell them every time, so make they remove her for batting. They no one here. So as it don't happen now, you see some, two of them now they no fit get up. Now beating when they give them, make them sleep like that. Anyhow, when they don't go station from there, they carry them go court. They go face which they use their hand plant.
Well, my people make una remove and come up for batting because batting is no good at all, at all. My people, yeah, Chadian president, when be say in name, now Idris Deby, in the lead troops, they go scatter Boko Haram then for inside the Chad, when be say now one of the country for Africa. The man when they talk to Tatafo people, we say, man, he might not sweet at all. Since now in a retired general, say no, if they watch, make all these Boko Haram, they terrorize the people, now they region, they scatter everything. Now with this check screen and I will see most of the weapons when we say they recover from Boko Haram. Now so they talk to now, so the Boko Haram, most of them don't die, while others don't run, escape. Well, Osaze, how you see the matter so?
Well, this matter clear now. But me they hear say the correct Shekau, the Shekau when they, the real oga for inside, say they never fit kill her. But one thing when we go talk, we don't see many pictures of Shekau. When we say they don't kill her, they will say they don't kill her. Small time we come here say they still make announcement. For this one now, we can see read some kind news when we say some people still post for net say Shekau come dey ask here. Why this Chadian president, why you would do my people like this now? You just finish them, kwata. What do we do now? We not disturb now too much. But anyhow, they say who plant bad seed. So if the plant they grow, it will grow bad. Now be waiting they happen. So anyhow, I think this one will even give the Shekau sense, make it remove her for bad thing, make it do the right thing when people expect from her.
Well, my people, this particular one, it could happen for inside Warren. I'll check the video. Although the video get the way it be, when we say they can't get small argument with soldier, before you know now, they say the youth for inside the area, cocky the soldier. In the retaliatory way, soldiers courage, and you see plenty youths. When we say they call let's say soldier key for grant. But we never feel reach army authority to verify this claim, if actually if it is true or not. But the rumor, they everywhere, both all social medias. It didn't just tire me, you know.
Well, I see as they march them there up and down. But the truth we say, where our soldier, they beat our people, they kill our people. Even if say youth attack one soldier man, come be like say that can't happen. But at least it get as it will be. Where government come they will be say before soldier come enter town. The key civilian I say tomorrow Monday. Those people when involved for the matter, therefore bring them to book. So soldier now untouchable will be say they can do and undo. And now see the plenty civilian when they kill. Or both the soldier, both the civilians when they kill, all the Nigerians. All of them are our people. Not be to kill people back, not mean they will take solve the problem.
Well, my people, as Lagos state government say lockdown day, now one young man, he bless say whether he want to go buy something, nobody know. And he call across the soldiers as they read there. Now the soldier call say why come out, maybe as they try to explain, now they first say make pay gutter, make go learn how to swim for inside gutter where they say it dirty. This kind of thing is no good. Make una at least more just watch and make una see as the matter be.
I need this job and today no comedy serious one.
You no go roll.
If you don't feel like I tell you,
Well, I don't see the thing did very, very bad. Honestly, it did very, very bad. But even with more, they tried to obey constituted authority.
Now the thing with that now, you know see now, okay, they are made they fight they fight enemy. Now we they fight ourselves. as soldier men, they suppose know say Nigerians. Anything will happen to both who wear uniform or both who not wear uniform, all of us are citizens of Nigeria. We need to respect human being as he be. If you say you be Nigerian, let that respect everybody body. But this one now when they come say okay, COVID-19, may they not come and say COVID-19. Now you can't put the young man for gutter, make it dey swim gutter as a dirty rich. Not the way gutter around the carry. And now this young man now, if you finally release her now disease, now you carry entire house. Because no, they know they come out. Then you sure say even this gutter sickness when you go hold and not go pass the coronavirus, so they say they run for. Huh? Well, so my brother, now be waiting. They really they baffle me. Both the military, both the one wey no wear uniform, both the nurse, both the doctor, both the ordinary workers, all of us are Nigerians.
Honestly.
Nobody where you will say because you wear uniform, you not be Nigerian, or you be super Nigerian. Then the rest na inferior Nigeria. You know they.
Wetin I just want chip into this particular stuff is say make we all get change of attitude, whether you be police, whether you be soldier, whether you be civilian. Because if you behave well, nobody go manhandle you.
At all.
It is only when you fall short of the rules of engagement, no problem with them.
But even if they want manhandle you, now to first just kill you first, to first make sure say you, even if they finally release you, now the one way the person go take that for us. Akonoja, see, the orientation was what make we get. Whether okay, now see another one now. The one when he affect that our actress. When he say he carry go do party for this kind of coronavirus period. So your birthday don't come. When you see they say nobody go dey gather, social distance, must you go and say okay, you must do the party? Because you don't believe say that kind of thing fit dey. And when we see, if you see the party, you see the way everybody gather at the tail end, I say they carry them go court.
Yeah, you see, might be the mentality when we get as Africans. Because for Igbo, as I say, make they stay house. Everybody stay house. Now you as somebody when people they look up to, now you want to break the rule of government. That was why they carry and go court.
What can happen?
As a region, they give them the charge and as a charge to court. They sentence and give them punishment. They get what they call whether social
community service.
Community service. So they say make it, they come out go to sweep, make they clean gutter so that make it clear.
But I see you say they say they put the 14 days imprisonment. The option of fine of 100,000.
No, they will return back home. Then from there they come out, cause they
do the work.
Yes, they do the work. That's what they be.
Hey!
Well, my people, should the case to just join this program. This one Iziga. When we say the shell every Friday by 10:30 p.m. Our fourth story for Iziga for this week we say Tifi Jankuriko don't enter wahala for people hand. Sake of say that they do it that they call one chance. Chadian president lead troops to scatter Boko Haram territory for inside his own country. So some youths in Warri lost their life for sake of say they kill one soldier and soldier in a retaliatory way. They can go kill some plenty youth for inside Warri for our Obodo, Nigeria. Last one we say lockdown for Lagos soldier give punishment to one boy say make it dey swim for inside gutter. All this kind of thing is no good for we. And I know to say if they give the soldier this kind of punishment, he go like her. And people, that is why they always say make man try to watch Iziga every Friday by 10:30 p.m. My people, una bye bye you.